Timer set for takeoff. Throttle friction is finger tight. Make sure it's in reach. Magneto check on both. Pitot heat as required, not required. Primer in and locked. Fuel on. Flaps as required, not required. Instrument gauges is check and DI set. Latches harnesses is fastened and secure. Doors and windows is secure. Sharp heat set cold. Control coolant full free of movement. Sorry. Transponder all strobes on. Golf Echo Alpha holding a Charlie ready for departure.
Golf Echo Alpha, Australia Radio, Roger. There's no reported traffic. The instant wind 090, 11 knots.